I'm a trader, and I used to do everything myself. Levels, analysis, constant doubts. Every entry came with stress. Every signal felt like a guess. But then I realized, to make money consistently, you don't need to complicate things. You need to simplify. And today, I'll show you exactly how I did it, with the help of my own trading bot. Starting with a $1,000 balance. The first trade will be for $100. Look at the chart. Price is in a downtrend. There was accumulation, then a breakout, and price came back to test the support zone. From that level, we got another drop. I can draw a trend line. It got broken. Then, a sharp move down again, followed by new accumulation. Looks like a pause before continuation. Price broke out of the accumulation to the upside. Let's mark that zone in white to make it clearer. There was a sharp pullback, retest of the zone, and now the price is rising again. This is where things get tricky. The trend looks bearish, but now there's resistance and a hint of reversal. Maybe price will go down, or maybe it already broke the structure and is turning bullish. There's no clear signal here, just messy movement, a choppy chart, and a lot of confusion. Let's try adding one indicator, say a simple moving average with a 50 period. Price is still below the moving average. Technically, the downtrend is still valid, but in reality, this could be just more accumulation before another drop. Feels more like a pause, not a reversal. And honestly, the market's just ranging, and that kills confidence. Still, I'm going to open a trade from this resistance zone. 1 minute expiry. Everything points to a drop. Structure, indicator, market behavior. Phew, that worked out. The trade closed in profit. But I wasn't sure at all. The breakout was fake. The trend stayed bearish. But that whole decision was full of doubt. One trade, 5 minutes, and way too much stress. The charts were messy, the signals unclear. I was tired of guessing. That's why I created Oryx, my personal trading assistant. It scans the market, finds signals, and shows direction. You pick the pair and time. Oryx handles the rest. Try it free. Link in description. I launched the bot, and as you can see, it's already scanning for signals. The market situation matches our setup. Trend continues down. Let's see how long it takes the bot to analyze this chart. First pair, AUD/NZD. I select AUD/NZD, set the trade time, and press Start Analysis. Let's see what the bot says. In just a few seconds, signal to buy. Bot expects the trend line to act as strong support. Momentum is increasing. Price is pushing up. Trend confirmed. Lows are getting higher. The move is solid. Momentum could soon cross the zero line. Even stronger signal. The bot also checked Keltner channel. Confirms the entry. Price broke below the band and is bouncing back. Clean signal. In 1 minute, one profit. No stress. Let's move to the next pair. Switching to the next pair, a UD/USD. Opening the bot, choosing OTC market, selecting the pair, 1 minute time frame, hit Start Analysis. Everything happens fast. In about 10 seconds, Oryx scans the entire chart. And yes, it's a real analysis, not random signals. Let's see why it's giving a sell here. MACD shows decline after a quick pump. Lines cross the zero level. Oryx detects it right away. Momentum is fading. Sellers are gaining control. We see it clearly. Big red candles confirm it. Another fast, clean win thanks to Oryx. In manual mode, I'd still be stuck choosing a pair. Oryx already found it, analyzed it, and got us the profit in seconds. Third pair, Swiss francs per Japanese yen. Let's go further. I pick CHF/JPY on OTC. Same routine. Start Analysis. A few seconds later, final trade for today, sell. Oryx gives the entry, clear and confident. And just think about it. To open 3 trades with the bot, I needed only 5 minutes. Same time it took for me to analyze 1 trade manually. 3 trades with Oryx equals 1 trade by hand. No stress, no doubts, just results. While others are still hesitating. Those using Oryx are already making money, just like I did. In real time, earning over $200 in a few minutes. You can keep guessing, doubting, and losing money on manual setups. Or you can turn on my bot. Oryx works fast, accurate, and stable. It won't fully replace you, but it handles all the routine. That's how I stopped trading with emotion and started earning for real. Want the same? Message me, I'll connect you personally.